We live in an age where fossil fuels are a vital part of everyday life. We use them every day and don't think twice about it. It's second nature to just use these fuels with no regard of where or how we get them. One such way we attain these fossil fuels is through hydraulic fracturing. Hydraulic fracturing, or fracking, is the process used to release petroleum, natural gas, including shale gas, tight gas, and coal seam gas, or other substances for extraction. Fracking involves the pumping of fracturing fluid containing water to crack and fracture the rock and release the natural gas from the rock. The gas is trapped in air pockets in the underlying rock from thousands of years of compression and escapes when the rock is cracked. The Marcellus Shale is one of the biggest natural gas deposits in the United States. It is the second biggest gas shale in the U.S. and one of the biggest natural gas deposits in the world. The Marcellus Shale spans across 4 states: Pennsylvania, New York, Ohio, and West Virginia. Clean-burning natural gas produced through fracking reduces our reliance on foreign fuel, resulting in more affordable energy for American businesses and families. There are many drawbacks from fracking as well. There are over 500 chemicals used in the fracking process and are highly dangerous. They include known carcinogens like benzene and toluene, many endocrine disruptors, as well as more recognizable chemicals like mercury and diesel. Even very small amounts of these chemicals can contaminate enormous bodies of water. There are over 1,000 known cases of water contamination from fracking, including hundreds where people can light their water on fire. Fracking can also contaminate the air with pollutants such as sulfur dioxide and methane gas. These pollutants can increase the risk of cancer along with enhancing respiratory illnesses along with other health issues. I discovered a 1987 report to Congress by the EPA that stated, hydraulic fracturing can cause groundwater contamination. One of the important characteristics of brine pollution, often overlooked until the damage has been done, is that the pollution cannot be readily reversed by merely eliminating the existing source. In groundwater, brine pollution may persist for decades and travel several miles from its point of origin before it is appreciably diluted. Although this report took place years ago, the impacts can last for decades to come. I found a court case that exposed the gas companies for trying to cover up potential damages from drilling. Chris and Stephanie Hollowich of Mount Pleasant Township had sued 4 natural gas companies and the state's Department of Environmental Protection, claiming their family's health and property had been damaged by drilling operations near their home. A 3-judge panel of the Pennsylvania Superior Court ruled that a lower court erred in flatly denying a request from the Pittsburgh Post-Gazette and the Observer Reporter of Washington, Pennsylvania, for the unsealing of the records in the case. The court had ordered the Washington County Common Pleas Court to hold hearings on the petitions for the unsealing of the record. It noted that the August 2011 hearing at which the record was sealed was held 3 days earlier than scheduled without official notification of the change of date. The lower court barred 2 Post-Gazette reporters from attending the hearing and later denied petitions from both newspapers to unseal the records, saying the requests were untimely. Possible solutions? New innovations have led to the development of new non-invasive, non-toxic tracers that can be used for long-term fluid identification. Using these tracers will allow scientists to test water surrounding the areas of drilling operations to help determine if contamination is a threat to the environment.